Slim, aka Retta Styles. I am back for my second YouTube video. This video is gonna be real simple, y'all. It's gonna be of a closure install I did on one of my clients, and she let me, she let me do my thing on the head today. Very simple. I didn't have to style it or do too much to it because I use Brazilian deep wave hair. If y'all haven't checked out my last YouTube video, it's traditional install. Y'all, I'm getting text messages, y'all. I can't. My channel gonna be real cute, simple. It's not really much of a tutorial thing. It's like a watch your girl work. I'm just capturing what I do on the day that I feel like doing it. I'm gonna have some hot stuff popping. I do a lot of stuff. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Y'all better make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Hey, let's get to this closure install. Hey. Okay, so now I'm just adding in that last braid to this foundation for my client. I like to do them a nice little size so that it is nice and flat and secure very well for a long-lasting install. I like to take that last braid and I add it into the loops of the braids that I added in each braid so that we won't have to worry about any hair hanging around after sewing. We cut the extra weave off and there we go. I put 2 small braids in the front just to be sure that the closure is close to that forehead as possible. So I'm oiling my client's scalp with some stimulating scalp oil and some peppermint oil. Get that scalp ready for this install before I lay this cap, baby. Right here, I am just sewing the cap down. This is a middle part install, so I like to sew around the middle part because eventually I'm going to cut the perimeter of the cap off and cut that middle section off as well so that it will be exposed to the closure. Later on in this video, I will show you what this looks like.
Dice is on the beat.
And voila, this is what it looked like, y'all. This is what it looked like. This is the closure. I did bleach the knot, so it should blend with my client very well. I like for my client to hold one side as I sew one side. I like to sew one side of the closure first, cut the thread, go to the other side, sew back, and then finish up in the back. I also didn't go too in detail with how I installed my closure, but I do take the fronts down as well. And yes, this is what it looked like. Now I am on to the first bundle. This is 22-inch Brazilian deep wave. I like to keep my tracks doubled unless my client requests otherwise, but I do like to keep my tracks doubled. Once you watch the video, you will notice that I do not cut my tracks. I do the flip over method. Be sure that when you do the flip over method, you just lay the track down very flat and sew and pull tight, but don't pull so tight that you are damaging your client's hair or just hurting your client head, period. So yes, I'm just going to continue to sew these tracks around my client's head. I do want to say for beginners, if you're watching this, because my videos are very beginner friendly and all of that. So if you are just learning to sew, just make sure that you do sew your threads close. Like, don't spread out too far because that's what causes lumps and bumps and stuff like that. And you want to make sure that your client install is as flat as possible unless requested otherwise.
Dice is on the beat.
I did just slow it down here in regular speed to show y'all how I do stick the needle through both threads before I apply it to the braid, to the head, or to the cap, whatever you would like to use. So I'm just going to continue to sew around the same way, flip over method, bring that track around and close it up till I get to the tip top of that closure piece. Okay, so I'm finally at the top of her head, finishing off the install. I was so sad, y'all. When I was making this video, I realized that 3 of the videos that I had was totally blank. But it was clips of me combing out her hair. I did use water and conditioner to loosen up the hair. I combed down the closure, added mousse to that, and I blended that down, got her straight down, parted it, got it right, set her on the dryer for about 15 minutes. I did finish up her edges with the 24-hour edge control as well. I love the purple jar. It works good for me. And yeah, her hair it was beautiful. And this is what it looked like. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.